The Toyota Aygo II from 2014 to 2021 uses a manual hood release system. The interior lever is located on the driver's side beneath the dashboard near the steering wheel. Look for a lever marked with a hood icon or labeled Bonnet Release. This lever is your primary release point for unlocking the hood. To release the hood, firmly pull the interior lever towards you. You should hear a pop sound, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This allows the hood to lift slightly, creating a gap for access to the secondary latch. Exit the vehicle and stand in front of the hood. Locate the small gap created when you pulled the interior lever. Reach into the gap and feel for a lever or button. This is the secondary safety catch. It prevents the hood from accidentally opening completely. Once the primary latch is released, locate the secondary safety catch under the hood. Press or slide this lever to release it fully. While holding the secondary catch, lift the hood upwards. The hood should now open fully. Some stiffness may occur, especially in older models. Lubricating the latch can help maintain smooth operation. Once the hood is open, locate the prop rod, a metal bar usually stored in a clip near the front of the engine compartment. Gently pull the prop rod out of its holder clip. Insert the prop rod into the designated slot on the underside of the hood. This will hold the hood securely open while you work. Ensure the prop rod is firmly in place to prevent accidental closure. If the interior lever feels stiff, check the release cable for kinks or damage. If the hood doesn't release after pulling the lever, inspect the latch mechanism for debris or corrosion. Applying WD-40 or similar lubricant can often resolve these issues. According to a 2024 Toyota Service Bulletin, TSB 0149-24, lubricating the hood hinges and latches can prevent wear. Regularly inspect and lubricate the hood latch mechanism every 50,000 miles to prevent stiffness and ensure smooth operation. According to Edmunds.com, 15% of Aygo owners reported stiffness, often linked to cold climates. Use a silicone-based lubricant to protect against rust and corrosion. Cable replacement is a common repair on high-mileage vehicles, typically costing $50 to $100.